Tell me what's going on.
Got the key fob wet, got a new battery in it, still doesn't work.
Have you tried a different key fob?
I'm sorry?
Have you tried a different key fob?
I only have one, unfortunately.
So this happened only after the key fob got wet, is that correct? Sounds to me like you're gonna have to buy a new key fob.
See, and that was the problem. I actually went to the store, or I had ordered from Amazon some replacement key fobs so I could program them. And the problem now is I can't get into the car without the alarm going on.
So you're having a hard time programming the key fob?
No, I can't get in the car to program that key fob. I've got all the... Oh my gosh, my back door just opened. This thing might be drying out. Oh, there it goes again. Now the...
Oh. You want me to call you back? Why don't you just pull the fuse for the horn until you get the alarm issue resolved? Wouldn't that make sense?
I gotta take the battery out of the key fob. I see what you're saying. I'll try that. I gotta go. Thanks.
You bet.